Hello friends, and welcome back to the Mothership. Today I'm going to give an overview and review of my brand new Weston Jerky Slicer. Let's get started. Now I make a lot of jerky in this house, guys. Between hunting and just loving eating beef jerky, I'm making jerky all the time. And I've tried all the different doohickeys. I've used the boards, I've used the manual slicer that goes along the side. I've tried to just do it, by hand. But I've always wanted to have one of these slicers. It'll make a more consistent product, especially when you're making a whole bunch of jerky. It'll cut down on that cutting time and make everything nice and uniform. This particular product you can find all over the internet, Amazon, a whole bunch of different spots. Retails for somewhere a little bit north of $100. Whether spending that kind of money is worth it or not really depends on how much jerky you do. As far as features, this particular model just has the jerky blades. There are other companies that make ones that have both the tenderizer and the jerky blades. I know for Weston you can buy the tenderizer blades on their website, but it does not come with the machine. And as far as the machine itself, you can tell this is a single support. There are ones that have dual support, and you kind of clamp those to your counter as well. But this single support seems to be sturdy enough. This entire machine is nice, solid cast aluminum, except for the blades, which are stainless steel. So it's not plastic. It's not going to break easy. Assembling it was really easy. I just did it a couple seconds ago. There's basically just a couple of screws on here, and they give you the Allen keys to just screw it in. Very easy. It's got these two combs on the side, which tells you which side goes on which. Very simple to set up. As far as operation, you're basically just turning this knob, putting your meat in, and the jerky will come out underneath it. Now this is the first time I'm using this machine, and right off the bat the only cons that I can see are A, it's going to be a pain to clean because it's not dishwasher safe, so you're going to have to get in there with a brush, but that's kind of expected with all of these types of machines. And B, just the price. If you're not interested in paying a little bit over $100, the price is definitely going to be something to think about. But it is jerky day, so let's give this a test and see how easy it goes through this beef. So one of the reasons I went with this particular model versus other competitors is some of them have actually really skinny chute here, which I didn't really want to deal with. I wanted to have one that I could put, at least an inch wide strip into. And wow, that was very simple. Went through like butter, and look at that. We've got perfectly sized strips of beef that we can cut into whatever length we want and make jerky out of them. That kind of went through that actually a lot easier than I thought it would. So I may as well go through the rest of this too. All right, well, I'm gonna be honest with you. I knew this was gonna be easy. I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. This thing just kind of ran through this meat in what, a couple seconds? Honestly, I could probably do 10 pounds in this and maybe, I don't even know, very quickly. This thing will run through beef jerky. So if you're making a lot of beef jerky, if you're processing maybe a whole animal, this is probably gonna be something you wanna buy. Honestly, I'm very, very impressed with how well that just worked. We're gonna be making a whole bunch more jerky, and especially as we start getting into hunting season, I'm gonna be using this sucker a whole bunch more. So I guess for conclusions, guys, honestly, I'm astounded at how simple this made this work. I'm very pleased with this purchase. Cleaning is probably going to be a bear, like I said, because you got to get all those individual blades out, and you got to clean in between them all. But you know what? If you're making a whole bunch of beef jerky, it's not too much effort for the simplicity and the uniformity that we got on the other side. I'm going to get a marinade going for this jerky, and there will be plenty of those videos on different recipes coming out soon. So in conclusion, guys, I highly recommend this product. I'm very pleased with it. I looked at a bunch of different brands when I was deciding I wanted to get a jerky slicer. I looked at the Cabela's brand ones. I looked at Meet Your Maker, a couple other ones. This one had the ease of use and the high recommendations on Amazon. And since it's on Amazon, if for some reason it's broken, you can just easily return it and don't have to deal with all that third-party stuff. I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these. I am very much pleased with it, and I hope you guys got something out of this video. Honestly, the ease of use is pretty fantastic. But as always, guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Is there a different product that you like more, or do you not even see the need for something like this? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next UFO barbecue. Bye-bye.